What if the endless motion of the ocean could power our homes, our communities, and our future? Introducing the Ocean Wave Centipede electricity generator, an innovative invention by engineer Joseph O. Golnier from the Philippines. This groundbreaking technology mimics the movement of a centipede, using multiple oars that rise and fall with the ocean waves. These movements are converted into circular motion, driving generators that produce clean, renewable electricity. The system stores the harvested power in battery banks, ensuring a stable and sustainable energy supply, even when the seas are calm. Designed for coastal and island communities, this invention brings hope to areas deprived of mainland. Electricity empowering fishermen, families, and the environment. The Ocean Wave. Centipede electricity generator, harnessing the rhythm of the sea to power a brighter, greener future. Powering the future, one wave at a time.